We are at our latest listing at 30505 North Oak Drive in Florence, Arizona. Before we take a look inside, let's go take a look at the community. We are literally walking distance from the house. This is 2 streets down. This is a community park. It is gated. You got to have a code to get in here. It is only for the community. Check out all these cool features. The first one we're going to go over is you got this jungle gym set up with the slide. Woo! Splash, 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 splash pad. All right, check out the Ramada area here. We got the picnic tables. And then right over here, we have a couple barbecue grills. See people that need your meat? We got you taken care of. Cornhole, anyone? We have 2 separate courts here of cornhole. And I'm swinging, and I'm swinging, swinging. Hey, I have no idea, but if you're 5 to 12, this was designed for you. Seesaw, 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 seesaw. It's like a group swing. That's my guess. Last but not least is a zip line. And there's one for bigger people and one for babies. And last but not least is the basketball court. Nothing but net. Magma Ranch Vista has this huge open greenbelt area for you to play. All right, we are back at the house. Let's go over the specs on this one. It is 1,794 square feet, just under a 5,400 square foot lot, single story, 2-car garage, 3-bedroom with a den, 2 bathrooms. I really like the setup on this one. Being that it's just under 1,800 square feet, they're able to do a triple split on it. So when you walk in, you have a den right off the front of the house. Now those have been converted on some homes into a 4th bedroom, so that is an option for you. Just past that is an open kitchen, granite countertops, plenty of cabinets with a walk-in pantry. Again, great sized kitchen. It does overlook the great room, and it really is a great room. It's probably about 20 by 20 in square feet. Great size on that. Now, being a triple split, there is a hallway with a laundry room, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. And then at the back of the home is a 3rd split, and that's where we have the master. The master, decent size, with its own bathroom, a walk-in shower, and a huge closet, as well as a linen space as well. If you'd like to schedule a showing, I make it very simple for you. Call 480-305-6688 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com. Until next time, bye.